Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, today we will discuss some important question of the chapter life processes. Now in life processes the topic is transportation. So let's start. Now the first question is, how is the continuity of water maintained? Continuity of water column maintained. Now the answer is, the continuity of water column is maintained by the adhesive and cohesive properties of water. The adhesive property of the water molecule makes them adhere to the xylem walls, and its cohesive property makes the water molecule remain together and move up as a stream. Now there are two types of forces you all must have studied in your physics class: adhesive and cohesive. Adhesive forces, they occur between the two different, means or you can say between the water or the xylem wall. Such type of force is known as adhesive force. And cohesive force क्या होते हैं? The force between the water molecules, जो एक water को दूसरे water से attach करके रखेगा, that is adhesive. So ये दोनों ही forces जब act करेंगे, so they will make up a water column and the water will move up as a stream. Now question number 2. How are the minerals transported across the plant? Now the minerals, they are transported in their ionic soluble form along with water across the plant in xylem and phloem. Question number 3. In what form is the food transported along the phloem? So you all know the food is transported in the form of sucrose. In the form of sucrose, that is a carbohydrate. What is translocation? The transport system of soluble substances like sugar, amino acids and hormones by the phloem is called translocation. Okay, so translocation is simply, it is the transport of substances from one place to another place. Okay, and that occurs by phloem only. What are the substances translocated in the phloem? Now, the substances are the food manufactured by the leaves, then hormones, mineral ions from the falling leaves to the other region of the plant. So, these are the substances which are transported in the phloem. How the materials transported in higher animals? In higher animals, the minerals are transported by the mass flow system, and that is known as circulatory system. It's involving the movement of a liquid medium through the closed tube and open spaces between the cell. Okay, so in case of higher animals, there's a well developed system of tubes which help in transporting the substances, and these substances are transported in dissolved form, okay, via circulatory system. And there is one more system is also there, that is lymphatic system, that also you are going to study. Next, what are the types of substances transported by the circulatory system? So, it includes digested food, respiratory gases, hormones, and excretory products. Question number 8. What are the two types of circulatory system in a man? So, the two types of circulatory system are blood circulatory system and lymphatic system. These two types of system exist in human being. What are the types of blood circulatory system? Again, this blood circulatory system is further divided into two types, that is open circulatory system and closed. In open circulatory system, the blood is in direct contact with the cells or the tissues. There is no tubes where the blood flow. But in closed circulatory system, the network of tubes are present and the blood flow through these tubes only. Question number 10. This is the last question. What are the three components of circulatory system in man? The three components of circulatory system in man are blood, that is a fluid that carries all the materials. Next, heart, that is the pumping organ. And the last is blood vessels. These are the tubes through which the fluid can flow to different parts of the body. Now, these are the three main components of which the human circulatory system is made up of. Okay, so these are the few questions of the topic transportation. Now there are many more also that we'll be covering in the next lectures. So thank you everyone.